Hi, I am Lara Wang, a sales representative at YONGMING Machinery. It is my pleasure to welcome you and to introduce YONGMING Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited. In this very first video, I'll be offering you a glimpse of our factory production line, major products, and our service. Please follow me. Let's go to our factory and know our company from a brief background. The company's name of YONGMING Machinery came from our founder's name, Mr. YONGMING Wang. It founded in 2004, YONGMING operates out of the special region known as the land of sunflower seeds in Inner Mongolia. Now, you are seeing the production line of 30,000 square meters, with a monthly production capacity of around 1,000 sets of equipment. We are a team of 100 plus workers, including professional technicians that dedicate their effort. We focus on manufacturing green processing equipment for domestic and international market, based on independent research and development under the visionary leadership of our CEO, Mr. Qiang Wang. I would like to mention that we design a complete green processing line customized to meet the customer's needs, and you can very much rely on us for quality products, high-qualified technical support, great deals, and hassle-free after-sales service. The company is integrated product development, design, production, sales, and service into a whole. Let me show you some of our major products now. The primary selecting machine, the sunflower seeds dehuller, different model of elevators, and other color sorter sorting facilities. Friends, we have come to the end of this short video. Next time, I will be introducing you to one of our highly demanded products, which is also patented by us. Stay tuned. See you. Bye-bye.